Hi everyone, I'm Julie Weiss. Welcome to the Daily Message. I'm going to talk today about prayer. Prayer is a part of Lent that we need to make stronger during Lent. And there's different ways we can do it and different ways that are successful. I typically would get the book from St. Nicholas that was passed out before Lent, and I would make a commitment that I would do this every day. And if I had to grade myself, I would give myself about a 65. The process of the Lectio Divina is to read the scripture, and it gives it sort of a different story after, maybe a different perspective for you to think about all day and for you to even meditate on. And it gives you such a broader sense of just a short bit of the Bible. And so when you do it day by day, it's very successful in your prayer life. But if you forget a few days, like I do, then you feel guilty. You might do like 3 days in one time. And that's not really the point. And that's not how it makes prayer stronger. So in the past few years, I would watch Dynamic Catholic with Matthew Kelly. And he had sort of what St. Nicholas is doing on their app, this daily message. And it was very successful for me. I would watch it in the morning, and he would just have a 3-minute video for me to think about. To meet him, he would have a different member of Dynamic Catholic give their perspective, and it would sort of resonate with me all day. And at the end of Lent, on Easter, I kept wanting to do more, and it was over. So my prayer life then wasn't as strong, and I would start all over again back in Advent. But what I'm hoping is you take the time with St. Nicholas, and you take the time to do the daily message and meet people from St. Nicholas. It'll give you a different understanding maybe of something, even a reading, or let you learn more about your parish and the people in it. Thanks so much.